तो वर्तमान समय बड़ खबर सामना को आसुची टाटा सन्स को मिला एयर इंडिया 18,000 कोटीर बिड लगाई टाटा सन्स। तेबे एयर इंडिया पई सबुठु अधिक बिड लगाई टाटा एने केंद्र पक्षरु सूचना मध्य दिया जायछि। टाटा एयर इंडिया कमांड संभाळिबा नै केंद्र सरकार सूचना दैछन्ति। तेबे एयर इंडिया ऑफिस जमी सरकार को पाखरे रहिबो किंतु एयर इंडिया परिचालना दायित्व टाटा ही संभाळिबो बोली केंद्र पक्षरु सूचना मध्य दिया जायछि। तेबे पूर्वरु एने गोटे विश्वस्त सूत्ररु सूचना मध्य सामना को आसीथिला जेतेबेले एयर इंडिया 68 वर्ष पर पुणी थे टाटा ग्रुप पाखक फेरिबो बोली गोटे सूचना सामना को आसीथिला एवं एहा परे डीआईपीएम रो सचिव मध्य एहाकू अधिकारी खंडन करथिले।
Even if that were to happen, it cannot follow that it will be haircut will be taken by the lenders. Lenders are totally protected in a government guaranteed debt. And in any case, that government has to be taken. And as I said before, this debt is on account of continuous losses for the last several years. How are the losses funded? Equity was not brought in to that extent. A lot of there was debt which was guaranteed by the government. So the lenders could give the debt because there was a government guarantee. Had the government guarantee not been there, no lenders would have given money to Air India to fund their losses. So this is the balance sheets of Air India speak for themselves.
So this 30,000 crore is going to be debt that is going to be accepted by the government or written down by the government or a haircut, whichever way you like.
Government will have to repay, na?
Yeah, that's what I meant. So
it is not a written down. These are lenders' money. It has to be repaid.
Okay.
Number 11. So just to clarify on the same point, Pranav here from Indian Express. Will there be budgetary infusions for this, and is there a timeline as to by when the government plans to repay this debt?
Oh, yes, there are means that will be taken care of because it was a part of the, this is not something which is negotiated. It is a part of PIM construct. If you recall, if you see the advertisements, that itself actually defines how it will be done.
तेबे केवल जमी सरकार अधीन में रहिबा बेले एयर इंडिया को टाटा संभाळिबा नै केंद्र सरकार पक्षर सूचना मिली। तो बड़ कथा होची पूर्व जेतेबेले एने गोटे सूचना आसीथिला किंतु स्पष्ट भावे किछि कुआ जाय नथिला किंतु परे पीयूष गोयल दुबई रो एक कॉन्फ्रेंस रे मध्य उचित समय आसीबा परे एयर इंडिया रो नुआ मालिक ना घोषणा करा जिवो बोली मध्य कहिथिले।